So right now we have reached Alamding. We're taking a big rest. No.
क्या रहेगा भाई? क्या बनाएंगे ना?
Max खाएगा. Max नहीं है.
इसी है. बाद में ना खाने से जुलाई के रख दो. ऐसा रख दो.
We have started our journey around 4:30 a.m. and now it's 9:30. So at this very moment we are here in Kaziranga. Someone is very much busy taking selfie. So there is our vehicle. Yeah, we 4 of them are going to Arunachal. And here the road of the connection is very good, as you can see. Okay, look at our home. Very hungry. Now we are going to have a dinner. Here, lunch or breakfast, I cannot say exactly still then. So I'm very much happy now because right now I had lunch, so I can freely roam around. Bobigeel Bridge is a combined road and rail bridge over the Brahmaputra River in the northeastern Indian state of Assam between Dhimaraji district and Dibrugarh district. You can look it around. It is beautiful places which we have never been here. क्या जगह बुला रहा है ये? क्या जगह है? अरुणाचल और बोगी ब्रिज का सामने है. जगह पता नहीं है एग्जैक्ट.
जगह का नाम पता नहीं है. फिलहाल अभी सर्च हो रहा है नेटवर्क में.
नेट में देखो तो क्या जगह है? लड़कियों का स्थान करेगा लड़कियों का. So right now we have reached this Arunachal Pasighat. We have special room for tonight. So अभी हम लोग निकल रहे हैं. We have booked 2 rooms, so we're going to live this hotel. The weather of Arunachal is very good, I should say. The weather is very sexy. हम लोग गाड़ी निकल रहे हैं अभी. कहाँ जाना है हम लोग?
मैडम का घर जाएगा.
मैडम का घर. चलो शुरू कर. थोड़ा देर पहले
उसके बाद भाई
हम लोग ये होटल पे रहा. होटल पेंग रीजेंसी. पता बोलते निकलता तो खोलना पड़ेगा ना. Pasighat is the headquarters of East Siang district in the Indian state of Arunachal Pradesh, situated at the eastern foothills of Himalayas at 155 meters above. From here to Haflong it takes 16 to 17 hours, so we are trying to move now. We may reach around 10 p.m. So we'll be moving. Thank you, Arunachal. See you again in the next. Pasighat is Arunachal's oldest town. The government of India included Pasighat in the Smart Cities Mission Development Scheme in June 2017. We are back from Arunachal and here in Tambuk. With Tambuk. Here.